Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Mindy from Mindy's Crafts and Cash, and today I'm going to be working on part 2 of this waterfall journal that I created for the boyfriend with a Western theme because he loves to watch Westerns. So if you want to see how I made it, it was 4 sheets of paper that I cut in half, and I used each one twice, top and bottom. Except one I had extra, so I'm using that to make some tags, and I want to just decorate it. Now, I'm expecting that he's going to use it to actually put photos in. So I'm going to make some pockets and little tuck spots and things like that. And I'll make some, I don't know, whatever. We'll see what we got here. So there was one cut apart page, which I already cut apart. And then I went into my box of ephemera. A lot of it I made, some of it I bought, and we'll see if we can use any of that. So let me see. This Old West would make a big pocket, but we need kind of a big page. I think that would be good here because it's kind of boring. I am going to round just this bottom corner. I used the middle punch, which is this, just so it will sort of be parallel like that. And I'm just going to make a pocket, so I'll do 3 sides. This is the side I'm not doing. And Lois gave me a good hint because I've screwed some of them up. She said, pick up with your hand the side that you do not want to put the glue on, and that will make you remember. So that's what I did. Thank you, Lo. Okay, so now we have a little pocket there. I don't know if I have enough to decorate every page, but you can just put pictures on a page. That wouldn't be so bad. Let's see, this could go on a smaller page. Let me see. Okay. I kind of like this here. So I'm going to make it a tuck. So I'm going to just right here use the medium. And if I'm going to do a tuck, I only want to do 2 sides. So I'll hold it like this. And then I'll remember to just glue the other 2 sides. Whoops. Whoopsie daisy. So I am filming this on the night before my surgery, but I will not release it until after the surgery. So you'll think of me sitting on the couch, having somebody, my son, waiting on me. And that is what I will be doing. Okay, this one I'll also do as an outside tuck spot. So I'll trim this corner, around this corner. And then I want to do this and this, so I'll put my fingers here. So that is working very well. I bought so much food and everything, so I'm stocked up for a while. And then I may end up doing the food delivery. We'll see how things go. It's still very hot here. I kind of like that there. And this one, maybe I'll make a tag. So I think that's what I'll do. So I'll do the 3 sides. And I think I'm going to round both bottoms. Oh, you know what else? I wanted to use the Distress ink a little bit. Haven't done that at all yet. Okay, so I'm doing 3 sides, so I'll keep this one. And then I cut out a piece that would be good for a belly band. And that last half, because I needed 7 halves, I've been cutting so I can make tags out of it. So then I will have used that whole paper pad, which is good. which has been hanging around for a very long time. I bought it one year and I made his birthday card with it. So let's see, I think this is the 1.5. So let's make a, no, is it? No. Well, I could still put it right in the middle. See what we get. Let me see. See, it moved. When you do it 1.5 or 2.5 or 2, it sort of has a place to rest. So let's see, what else did I cut? I cut this one. This is the 2.5. Okay, that's nice. And this is a 2.5. And that one I screwed up a little bit. And did I cut any more? Not yet, but I can. Okay, so let's see. Okay, I think a 2-inch would be better in here. So let's cut it off a 2-inch. Let's see how we do. And that should slide right in. Slip sliding away. There we go. And then we'll see how short we want to make it. So now I'll go from here to here. These 2 indents. And push it right to the end. And I got a tag top. And we'll do this. I think I'm going to shorten it a little bit. And I have these little reinforcements to put on. I'll put one on the other side as well. And this tag is done, unless we want to start decorating it, which we certainly can do. See, some of this I made, some of it I bought. This one I made. You could make a little tuck spot. I like that. Okay, so let's get the top. This is the top. This is 3 sides. I'm not doing a tuck spot, I'm doing a little pocket. And then I'm sticking this in the little pocket. And sticking this in the little pocket. Maybe. Yes, I am. Cut it a little better. I want that little thingy there. Okay, that goes there. That can go there. And there's the other side. And let's see, what do we have to put on this one? Here's another tag, and we could sort of tie them together. I need to make a hole. And there we go. And we'll just use a little string or ribbon. I'm gonna use some of this. Woohoo. This is so much fun. I had my other knee done last year, and because I diamond paint and stuff, usually on the recliner, I didn't have patience for any of that. And then my son suggested, why don't you color? You used to love to color. So that's what I did. I colored a few pages, and that was kind of perfect and relaxing. And that was a good thing. And then gradually I got back to myself. Okay. All right, so we got a little stuff going on this page. Let's give it a little bit more dimension here. Okay. So that was good. Get rid of you, get rid of you. Let's see what else we want. Okay, I like this. This, I think I'm just going to make into a tuck spot. So I will do this side and this side. And I will round this corner. Really got to focus. And let's edge it. Well, I'm not using the distressed oxide, I'm using vintage photo oxide. It's so much darker than the other one. Okay, so tuck spot, two sides. One, two. And then we'll see what we want to tuck, if anything. Go right against the corner. Tuck that in. And he could paste pictures here. He could stick pictures in. Let's get the reinforcements. Oh, a really cute one is a little clock. So what are you up to today? So busy, so busy. They called me from the hospital. They wanted, to go over all the information. I was on with them a total of about an hour. And just when we had started, the cleaning people came. So I had to give them some directions. And I don't know, it was just very hard. And, they're vacuuming and making all kinds of noise. I went outside for a little while to talk to them, but it was so hot. Finally, I should have thought about it sooner, but I came in the craft room. The only thing is, she would have heard all the vacuuming and everything. But, okay, that could go in there. We may add a little more, we'll see. Okay. So we got a couple of pages done. Okay, like this Indian. Let's find the perfect page for him. Put him with the TP. So there's more TP pages. Maybe we'll put him right here. I think that's excellent. And let's make him a pocket. How'd I do the other one? Let's see. Yeah, I rounded the bottom, both sides. Let's do that. So we have discussed it, and the boyfriend said his love of Westerns came from his father. His father came from another country in Europe and loved the Westerns. And the boyfriend used to watch it with his father. So I guess that's how the boyfriend came to love it. Okay. Right here. And let's see if we want to stick a tag in. Sure, why not? I've got a lot to do. I have a whole load of laundry drying. I have to fold it. And then I have to do this like very long shower. And then I have to do the exact same thing in the morning and be at the hospital at 6 a.m. So, you know I will be up most of the night because I'll be so nervous that I'll forget to wake up on time and I'll sleep through my surgery. So, that is my story. So I'd like to thank all the people who watch so much and comment so much. You know who you are. I always try to thank you. And let's see. Here's a Be Fearless. Well, I can stick that somewhere else. We can do a belly band. This is a good page for a belly band. Have to trim it just a little bit. You can always do a belly band this way or this way and then stick stuff behind it. I'm not sure I like it on here. Maybe on here. I need a little trim. So this one just gets glued at the bottom and the top. I'll put a bunch on. Okay, now we can find some stuff to put in. And that's not it. Let me see. Put this ticket in. And put this in. And what else? Glue this on it. Nope. It's $7.85. I don't know. I'll think about it. Let's see. We can put this in it. I think she's going to need her own little page at the beginning. So for now, we'll leave it like that. This is a nice little one. Good. A lady. And we'll make her into a little tuck spot. And then we will finish up for today. And I'm going to get cracking. Okay, so tuck spot. So holding it here. We'll do the other two corners. Lois, this works great. Thank you for the tip. She said, hold it in the place you don't want to glue. Okay, I like this yeehaw. Oh, I forgot to edge her. Let's see if we could just do it here. Yep. And I could do this. And this I'm going to make into a tiny belly band, little belly. So we'll do it like that and like that. Okay. I like this for her. Stronger than they think. All right, we're putting this on. I'm just going to glue it right here so it moves a little, so it really looks like a tag. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, I think I'm going to call it a night. I'm getting tired. Got stuff to do. I will be back in the craft room when I can get back in the craft room. So thank you very much for watching. And thank you for everybody's good wishes. I really appreciate it. Take care.